Dear learners, in this session I would like to introduce you tools for losing and turning the soil. So let's get started. Now the next slide here, tools for losing and turning of soil. Plug. A plug is a composed of plug share and plug shaft. The plug share is made up of iron and is triangular in shape. The plug shaft is made up of wood and is very long. It has a harness to pair of blocks of other cattle with the help of a beam which remains perpendicular to plug shaft. Second one, hoe. This is a hoe is used for leveling the soil and removing weeds. It is made up of iron or wood. It is a long beam with a handle. Sometimes a heavy flat beam of wood is utilized as a hoe. In the iron hoe, a sharp blade is fixed on an a hoe is usually pulled by animal, but sometimes it is pulled by a tractor as well. Next, cultivator. A cultivator is a composed of series of iron discs or plugs here which are fitted on an iron frame. Cultivator is pulled by tractor. Cultivator helps in tilling a large area in less time. It is a deal for big sized frame. Now the next one, sowing. Seeds are sown in field after plugging. A farmer need to separate damaged seeds from good seeds. The seeds should be sown at proper gaps and a proper depth. Proper gap between seeds and proper depth in soil ensures adequate sunlight, moisture, air and nutrients to the growing plants. Seeds can be sown by any of the following methods. Broadcasting. This is a traditional method of sowing seeds. In this method, seeds are spread on the field manually by hand. Broadcasting is only effective on plot of small size. Cultivator. Again, the cultivator is composed of a series of iron discs or plugs here which are fitted on an iron frame. Cultivator is pulled by tractor. Cultivator helps in tilling a large area in less time. It is a deal for big size frame. Now next one, modern seed drill. The design of modern seed drill has evolved from the traditional seed drill. It contains many hollow and pointed tubes which are fitted on a huge frame of iron. All the tubes are connected to a huge container at top. Seeds are kept in the container so that seeds can drop through the hollow tubes. The tractor-driven seed drills helps in sowing seeds on a large frame in less time. Now the traditional seed drill. A seed drill is composed of a funnel which has a long and pointed neck. The seed drill is attached to the plug shaft. When seeds are kept in the funnel, they drop gradually through the neck. When the field is being plugged, the pointed end of the seed drill pierces the soil and thus seeds go deep into the soil. Seed drill helps in the saving time when the farmer needs to sow a farmer for of large size. Have a thank you. Yes, I hope that you have learned this one and it will help in your enhance the knowledge. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.